I got okay. So I can sell that too for 100 each. So that this one will be 45 pesos only for me. Mamaliki na ta. Charot. Shine Pro product. It's because my friend has a TikTok affiliate, so I get from her TikTok affiliate. So she can have income a little on the kettle. Yes, maybe it will. So I will try now. Let's try it now. But next time I will do it. Not now because it's need to be be careful because I have so much black kettle here. I don't know. But when I was in Singapore, the kettle, we clean the kettle, but oh no, we cook at the gas, but it doesn't make it so much black unless we fry steak or we fry fish like that or something fried. But here, I don't know. It's just only like three usage only, and the gas is it makes the kettle super black. So I don't like I don't like to see it like it's so black. So I wanted to buy some cleanser. I also keep on rubbing it, rub. But still the same. Work. So thank you so much everyone. Now we're on 46 minutes. And then and also we have a balikbayans to receive today. So balikbayan box that is coming. So we will go to the town later and receive it there. I don't know what will I get it from there. Where there's a chocolate in there or not. Charot! So I was collecting coins for our games later. So the prices of our games will be the ceramics that I didn't sold some of them. It will be the price for the games, right? It will be. And then some cash. So it's nice just to have fun here, fun before the new year. 47. So 3 minutes more and we will end up, guys. So how about you? How do you prepare like for a Rome is upset because there's no sound. Ay, naku, Rome. There's no place for be upset because it's December. Spread kindness, love to one another. Diba? So later I will try to wash it. Ooh, 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 ooh. And prepare for the going to the town. It's coming to town. So how about everyone? How is you preparing? So guys, that is why before the new year, guys, like tomorrow will be the busy day. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Cleaning before the new year. Because at the January 1, we cannot sweep the floor. We don't sweep, we don't clean, we don't touch the knife. So the day before January 1, we will have to cut everything and then just put in the fridge and then so that we will not touch knife in the January 1. Excited, guys. How are you? Are you excited to receive that 2025? It's been fun. Have a good morning. Yes. 49:50. 1 minute more, guys. 1 minute, and we will have 50 minutes in our live streaming. We will be preparing for our going out now. Na 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 na. But if I need you, look. I need you, look. Na, na, na. So